Been a long time since we've made a video, so this is where we're at. Wall's gone, wallpaper's gone, floor is completely out, ready for new flooring. Vanity's in, toilet's in, floor needs to be cleaned, walls need to be painted, waterworks. Cabinets are still about the same progress as the last video. Not much changed in here yet. A lot more possible wall colors. Flooring's out in the whole downstairs except for the entryway where we're going to retile this summer. It's 50 degrees today and beautiful outside. No snow. We're going to do two-tone paint, hopefully, if I can talk Jenna into it. Similar to what they have here, a maroon on the bottom and maybe a gray on top. All the wallpaper is off in the hallway. All the ugly old trim is off in the hallway. And all the flooring is off in the hallway. That took forever. Here's where the baby room is going to be. All the wallpaper's removed. Flooring's going to stay, just needs to be cleaned. Jayana's room. Wallpaper is gone. And Colden's room is done. Wallpaper's gone. All those two rooms need are paint and trim and new light fixtures. Probably gonna go with ceiling fans. The vanity is installed. We're ready for countertops. Wallpaper is gone. Ready for paint. And the master bedroom. Wallpaper is gone. Flooring is out. Carpet's on order. Waiting for installation. We're going to paint the ceilings and the walls. Floor is out in the closet, ready for carpet. We're going to put some new shelving up. And the vanities installed in the master bathroom. Ready for countertops and sinks. Next is going to be tearing out the wood all the way around the room and building the frame to support the bathtub. And then we can paint, install a couple of doors, some faucets and some sinks. And that's where we're at for now. Also, all the flooring is out of the apartment house. And all of it's in the dumpster. And the dumpster is almost at maximum capacity. Can't wait to see them lift it. The back here is all tile from the ground to the top. It's a lot of weight on one side of a big dumpster.